some of you can't use your bank card to buy crypto, and that includes me. But Binance has come up with a solution to this, which is called P2P. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Lindy Sherris, and in this channel we talk crypto stocks and forex. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy your crypto using a system called P2P. So this is safe and this is controlled by Binance, so you do not need to worry about losing your money. And I have recorded this video so that you can see step by step. You do need to watch the video from start until end so that you can avoid losing your money and also to understand the terms and conditions. This is the simplest way to buy and there are no fees. Without wasting time, let's go to today's video. The first thing that you do, you log into your Binance account. If you do not have a Binance account, I do have a link which you can click and then it will take you straight to Binance and you can create your Binance account. You can find this link on my video description. And then once you logged in, you basically go at the top where there's trade and then you click P2P, and then under P2P a new screen will open, and then there will be this video. All you need to do, if you want to learn more, you can just go and watch the video, but if you do not want to, you can just cancel it. It will take you to the screen, and in this screen you will actually see this. Do make sure that you change the currency to your local currency. So I'm in South Africa, I'll change it into ZAR so that the banking details that I will use will be a South African bank. But then if you're overseas, obviously check whatever country you're from and then you can select. So these are the cryptos you can buy: USDT, BTC, BUSD, and then select the one that you want to buy. So it doesn't matter what you buy, you can always do a conversion. So if I select BUSD, you can go to CoinGecko and type BUSD just to see the current value at the moment. This is just for you to see how much these people are charging. So at the moment the price of BUSD is 14 Rand 62, but now can you see that they're charging 15 Rand 19? So it is like a shop where people can list their prices. So you do need to check the completion rate, the 98.7%. It is actually the orders that this person has finished. So when you click express, it will take you to this page. In this page, if you want to buy using your credit card, but do understand that most banks do not allow us to buy crypto, especially in South Africa. So that's why we go into P2P. So now let's go back to P2P because this video is all about P2P. And now you can buy using P2P, and also you can sell. Say you have crypto in your account or your portfolio in Binance, and you want money in your bank account, you can actually click sell. So now we're going to buy BUSD, but then I do need to check who's available and how much money do they allow. So this limit for this person, you can buy 4,000 Rand up to 3,500, and the price is 15 Rand 19. So you do see that that Mahotlo you can buy for 200 Rand, and then this lot clicks you can buy for 500 Rand up to 3,000 Rand. So you do need to check the one that you can afford. So say you're going to buy for 300 Rand or 500 Rand. So find someone who can allow you, like Mahotlo can allow you to buy for 300 Rand, and that's the amount I'll be buying. So I'll use USDT because there's a lot of people there, and then it can also be cheap. And then I'll go and look for the ones who actually completed most orders, and also give you people who are just new a chance to buy from them. And then this one I can also buy from this person. Do remember you are protected by Binance, so this person cannot actually rob you of your money. So say you send money to this person in your local bank account and he doesn't want to transfer, so immediately when you click buy, the money is taken, the crypto is taken into a Binance system. It's not allowed until you confirm that you have paid and the person can actually transfer. And then the next thing, so I'm now looking for the person I am going to use to buy my USDT. So I'll just scroll and see which one, and sometimes you would have to go with the one that has bank transfer or maybe FNB wallet or maybe Capitex. So people have different ways for me to pay. So just for this video I'll show you. So just go to their terms and conditions because you do need to read what they offer and what bank account you can send. So this person, FNB wallet, Absa, Cash Send, Standard Bank, instant money. So you just have to choose the one that you want. So do communicate. I think I would advise that you find their WhatsApp number and then send them a message and say you want to buy. So this is me sending this guy a message saying I want to buy, and then how am I going to pay? And then this person said I can use Time Bank, and then as well you can use Capitec, but then he only allowed Time Bank. I wanted to use Capitec since I do have a Capitec account. So then I just said, only for this video with you, just find a person who uses your same bank account. So I'm going back to P2P now to buy. So now I'm clicking buy. When you click buy, it will open this, and then on your left hand side with the terms and conditions, that's where you get the number and the banking details where you can send the money. And then the next thing that you do, you specify the amount that you want. I want for 300 rand, and then after, obviously I'm done communicating with this person. As soon as we start the process, then I know which bank account to send my money. Then I click buy. So when I click buy, the system takes 300 rand value of cryptos and store it in the system, so that whenever this person doesn't want to send, then I am protected by Binance. As you can see, I've placed my order, I made the payment, which is 300 rand. Now you have to go back to the system and notify this person that you have transferred. So at the bottom you would see transfer, notify, seller. I'll show you now. At the bottom where I am clicking now, you just click that. This is just to notify the seller that you have bought. And then after the seller did release my cryptos, and then I got an SMS like that. And then when you're done, the money doesn't sit in your spot wallet. You have to go to funding wallet. So that's where I'm going now. So when you get to your funding wallet, you go to wallet and then click funding wallet. You would see that the money is there. So you can see I bought for 300 rand, and then I got 276. And then now when you go at the top, you need to transfer the money to your spot wallet, because that's where your cryptos will reside. Unless if you want to leave it here, because P2P only sends the money to funding wallet. So you do need to make sure that funding is at the top and your fiat and spot is at the bottom. And then do select the coin that you want. I just bought USDT. Then I just confirm to say it should be transferred into my spot wallet. So now the transferring is happening. I will go back to my wallet and click fiat and spot, and then now USDT, the new coins that I just bought, will be in my fiat and spot wallet. So basically that's how you buy. So now when you scroll down into my spot, you would see that at the bottom I do have now USDT. So now I just need to check what crypto I want to buy with this USDT and BUSD. These are stable coins, so the value will range on $1. That's why the value doesn't change much. So I would prefer to move my crypto and then just buy whatever crypto I want. Say for example, maybe you say to the person you did send the amount and the person refused and say they didn't get the amount. Then Binance protects you, because you can send screenshots or confirming that you did send the amount into their account. But then you do need to make sure that you check the terms and conditions of this person and then communicate. My best way is to communicate with this person and make sure that you understand how you should send the money. And another thing, say you're sending from a different account, like maybe say from a Standard Bank account to a Capitec account. So you do need to know that the transfer might take 2 days. So do make sure that you use immediate payment, or maybe then use a bank account that this person is using. That way the money will reflect, because they will not transfer your cryptos until the money reflects in their account. So guys, do make sure you protect yourself, and before sending money, communicate with the person. That way, I think it's better that way to communicate with the person. So they do want to make sure that they complete the orders, because it is a good thing for them. The system will keep them. Binance will keep them in the system, and it is good for them, and they will continue making money. So they not necessarily want to rob you, and they can't rob you anyway, because Binance will keep the money and not send it to them until you are happy. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you now understand how to buy crypto using P2P, and then I am also planning to be one of the merchants in future. So maybe in future you can buy for me, and then I can just sell to you guys. Thank you so much for watching.